How to make host in Google Meet. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Google Meet app on your phone. Tap on New to create a new meeting. Tap on Create a new meeting. After that, you can share this link through by copy link or sharing through other apps. After that, tap on Join Meeting. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on Join. To make host in Google Meet, you want to go ahead and tap on three dots on the bottom right corner. As you do that, you'll see various options, among which you want to go ahead and tap on Host Controls. Now you want to turn on the toggle button for host management. As you do that, it lets you restrict what participants can do in the meeting, like share their screen, send chat and messages, turn on microphones, and turn on video, and send reactions. You can also turn on the toggle button for host must join before anyone else. So that is how you can simply make host in Google Meeting. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.